Here's how to use the column subtraction method. First, place the numbers one on top of the other, lining up the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and tens of thousands in this case. Always start from the column on the right hand side, in this case, ones. We can't do 1 take away 5 as this will be a negative number. So we exchange from the tens. We exchange or regroup 10 from 90 to make 11 ones. So 11 take away 5 equals 6. Then we subtract the tens digits. 8 take away 3 equals 5. Again, for the hundreds, we can't do 200 take away 600 because that would be negative. So we need to regroup or exchange from the thousands. Then we subtract the hundreds digits. 12 take away 6 equals 6. We subtract the thousands digits and the tens of thousands digits like this.